Hi there, it's Amanda, and today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite 5-minute strategies to massively boost your energy. I know that I talk to women all the time in our work who feel just more fatigued and wiped out than they prefer, right? Whether it be that afternoon slump time that hits you at 3 o'clock, 4 p.m., or even sometimes when you wake up in the morning and you don't feel like you're fully recharged and fully refreshed. So, today I'm going to be sharing a super simple strategy, and this is really about understanding, both from a physiological standpoint, how important it is to be energetically, emotionally in a place of joy, in a place of peacefulness, contentment, when we feel those emotions, because energy is literally emotion. And when we can create predictability with the emotions that we want to experience more frequently, all of those positive emotions, anything from relaxation, contentment to eagerness, excitement, and joy, right? So my 5-minute strategy, anytime you're noticing that just on a perpetual basis, your energy is lower than you would like it to be, is to literally use what I call this vortex pie and have a list. You make a circle. Like, this isn't a super pretty one, but make a circle, write out a couple of different things that instantly can bring you joy, whether it be something that puts you back into a memory that you can relive and you can feel excited about or feel so appreciative of, or something that you're looking forward to. And I'm going to share with you one of my go-to vortex energy boosters is listening to the song American Pie. I definitely cannot sing it, but for whatever reason, and my husband Mike has always loved this song, and it was kind of like a family tradition that even starting at our youngest daughter, Julia, when she was just a baby, the office used to be upstairs, which is now my fourth daughter's bedroom, Taylor, but it used to be our office. And, just kind of after she would get out of the bath, it was right across the hallway with the bath, we would have her wrapped up in a towel. And Mike would always turn on the music and play American Pie in the office. And we started this routine of like dancing around the office and I can't sing, so I won't sing for you. But for whatever reason, anytime I hear that song, it puts me right back in that moment. And it was a routine that we carried forward for all four daughters, that we would just like bundle them up after the bath, turn on the music, blast it loud, and be dancing all over the hallways and all over the upstairs and like dipping them and swinging them in our arms. So it can be super simple, something like that, where it can be, a favorite song. It can be watching I have a mind movie that it's 2.5, 3 minutes long. I love to just pop that in and watch that and remind me of where I'm going, what I'm creating, what I'm excited for in my life. So I want you to do that, to make your own vitamin J vortex pie. What I mean by vitamin J is vitamin joy. It's essential, just like all of the other vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin K. Vitamin J is necessary for our health and our well-being and our hormone balance. So jot down a couple things that can instantly put you in that place of positive emotion, in that place of positive vortex, and really allow you to feel peaceful, relaxed, joyful. And then use this, schedule it, right? Don't make it happen. You know, if life happens to work out, you'll feel good. You'll have a moment of inspiration. You'll have a moment of relaxation or a moment of joy. You have to proactively be the driver and put that in your schedule. Build out blocks of time in your life and in your routine that are adding this vitamin J in. So that's my inspiration for you today, as a 5-minute quick, super easy way to boost energy levels. Hope to see you real soon.